Welcome and thank you for using the SAR. This video will cover how to use the AutoScan tool. If you have additional questions after watching this video, check out our help center at scarletcs.com/support where you can view FAQs, other videos, or submit a question to customer support. If you are logged into your SAR account, you can conveniently search for Support Center articles using the Support widget. Begin by logging into your SAR account at sar.selfreportedtranscript.com. To use the auto import tool, you will need to have entered at least one high school into the SAR, so click on the Enter High Schools tab. Check that the graduation year, dates of attendance, and grade scale are all correct. Then click the Enter Coursework button at the bottom of the page. Towards the top of the page, you should see a box with a button that says Upload Transcript. Click the button. A pop-up window will appear with options on the left to upload either a high school transcript or grade report. After selecting the document type, either drag and drop the transcript into the space on the right or click the button Browse for File to find the document on your computer. Note that the accepted file formats are PDF, PNG, and JPEG, and that the file cannot be greater than 30 megabytes in size. It is acceptable for the file to simply be a screenshot of your grades rather than, for example, a downloaded PDF document. For information on how to take a screenshot of your grades using Mac, Windows, or Chrome, please visit the links in the video description. If your document is uploaded correctly, a green checkmark will appear in the box on the right. If you wish to upload a different document, press the Remove button. When you're ready, press Continue. You will see a preview of the document. Check to make sure you have uploaded the correct document with all of the desired information. If you have uploaded the incorrect document, click Start Over. If the document is correct, click Continue. Next, your document will be scanned and processed for grade information. This may take a few moments. When your document finishes processing, you will see your grades organized by each academic year. You need to check that your grades were correctly transcribed into the table underneath the screenshot taken from your transcript. Make sure all information is correct and copied exactly as it appears on your transcript, including the year, course name, final grade, and number of credits earned. Edit any information if necessary. Repeat this process for all the years for which you provided grade information. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Import to SAR. You will see a confirmation message with a green checkmark if the process has successfully been completed. You will now see the Enter Coursework screen. If you scroll down, you will see all of the grades entered for each year. It may be useful to check one last time that the information is correct, especially if you made any changes to the transcriptions. You can now continue filling out any other necessary information in your SAR. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and good luck with your applications.